Bear Creek 2019, oh, it's a 2020 ice fishing trip. Me and the boys. And let me give you an idea of what we pack for essentially one day of fishing. We drive up today, we stay all day tomorrow, and we drive back on Friday. So there's the back of the car, possibly overpacked. But the real joy is the rest of the car. Oh, wait a minute. You gotta see this first. I'm not really sure how I'm driving because I got nowhere to sit. We'll figure that out. Let me put my coffee in here, and there's Kevin. He's safe. If we have a crash, he's not going anywhere. And I don't know if you can see over the stuff, but there's no back window. We can't actually see it. Say hi, Colin.
Hey.
I should get one of it here, but just to say,
yeah, that's
all our shit.
When we get out,
we are overpacked.
We can take a picture maybe in front of the door with,
for sure.
With all of it.
Well, out at Bear Creek Cottages on Nipissing. Here's our accommodations. I'll give you a look.
You're staying right here?
Okay,
cool.
Here. Are you staying in that one?
Oh, no matter to me.
Here's the boys.
Yeah, if you're staying there, I'll stay there.
Hey. Tom, Kevin, and there's Mr. Bourbonnais hiding in the background, looking for some meat. Here, let me show you our John. Kaibo. Attached to the unit so we don't freeze our ass off, literally. This is roughing it as far as ice fishing goes.
I got a gold cast master.
Oh, just take pictures in the middle.
I don't want to be the spoiler of bad news.
Colin, the spoiler of bad news.
I only caught one fish around.
Whoa.
I had we missed that one.
What did you just
I caught
boil?
the pickerel. You caught the
Boil
fish.
water in a pot like
And
this,
I
man?
over here
Get a bigger one though. There's a bigger pot. The one I had the milk in.
took the bait.
Put it on a pot? No, that was a bowl. One I accidentally poured milk in.
Between 11 and 12 is when I
And then we did get a few fish before 9. Come on. I think.
So the end of our day at
there's a spot that
Bear
says-
Creek Cottages.
What am I doing?
Fishing's a little slow,
So
but
when you turn
we did
this
catch
on,
fish.
there's a spot here
Caught
that says
quite a
Right,
few
yeah.
small walleye,
Lit.
some
I just
perch,
had to-
2 herrings or ciscos or tulipies, whatever you want to call them. We
Well, that's
caught a
rear
couple
one
of those,
you're doing, eh?
which
Yeah, I was
I've never
straight
caught
out.
before, so that was kind of cool.
Unless I-
We just finished having our meal of fish for the trip, so that's always a good sign. They're coming to pick us up tomorrow at 10. It's just after 5 now, so we're hoping to hit a couple of fish this evening. Everybody's starting to get a little tired after our meal of fish, battered fish. But things were good. I should have taken a picture of the fish, but I didn't. All in all, they come out several times a day to check on you, which is good. I don't think this is a particularly great spot. We're just on a big flat 30 foot, and Colin and I have walked a huge distance around, and it's 30 foot everywhere. So there's not anything to really attract the fish here. It sounds like we're doing as good or better than most everyone else. Although the group behind us has caught more walleye. They didn't catch any herring, and they didn't seem to catch as much perch, I don't think. Although they thought they had perch hitting at 10 at night last night. I'm suspicious that those probably weren't perch, because that's kind of late. Anyway, it was a good day. There's the Kevin doing dishes, and the boy.